We have here the sum of two rational expressions, and before we combine them together, we're going to begin by factoring numerator and denominator. So let's look at our first numerator. It's a simple trinomial, and I'm looking for two numbers that add to give me 4 and multiply to give me -3. Now, as it turns out, there are no integer terms for this, so we're not going to factor it. We're just going to leave it as x squared plus 4x minus 3. The denominator, on the other hand, is a difference of squares. Notice that 16 is 4 squared, so I can write that as x minus 4 times x plus 4 plus 4 minus 3x again. No common factor there, but the denominator of the second fraction has a common factor of 3. I'm left with x minus 4. So looking at our first fraction, in terms of our denominator, it has the x minus 4 term, but it doesn't have the 3. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to multiply the first fraction, top and bottom, by 3. I'm going to copy the whole thing, and I'm going to paste it here. But this time, I'm going to multiply the top by 3 and the bottom by 3. The second fraction, in terms of its denominator, it has everything except the x plus 4. So I'm going to do the same thing over here. I'm going to modify top and bottom by multiplying both by x plus 4. Notice how I put the brackets around this binomial here. It's necessary because if I just left it as 4 minus 3x, that would mean I'm only multiplying the 3x. I'm only multiplying the 3x by the x plus 4. But in fact, I need to multiply the whole binomial. So I have x plus 4 here again. So now I notice that I have a common denominator. I'm going to rewrite my numerators. I'm going to expand this out first, and I'm going to combine them. So I'll have 3x squared plus 12x minus 9, and then I'm going to expand this here, okay, so that I get 4x plus 16 minus 3x squared, let's make some more space here, minus 12x. And this is all over this common denominator, which I'm going to just copy from here and paste it down here. Nothing changes. Now it's time to collect like terms. Let's see what we can do. So 3x squared and 3x squared cancels out. The 12x and the negative 12x cancel out. I'm left with 4x, and then -9 plus 16 yields positive 7. And that's all over the same denominator. And it's about time that I stated my restrictions. I should have done it a bit earlier, but that's okay because we did not cancel out any common factors. And the only restrictions we have are that x cannot equal plus or minus 4.